Welcome to children's home. You are pleasure to us. We glad to have you here. May His face be on you. May His shine day. You are welcome. Welcome to Jesus' name.
Because I'll visit you. Merry Christmas, lovely children. I'm happy to celebrate Christmas with you today. Today is a special day. Who can tell me why we are celebrating today?
Because today is a special day and it's the day that Jesus was born.
Thank you very much. It's the day that Jesus Christ was born. And you all know that Jesus is a gift to us, right? Through Jesus, we have eternal life. So I'm here to celebrate with you. Today is Jesus' birthday. So we're going to celebrate Jesus' birthday here. To the glory of God. In Jesus' name. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Should I sit next time? Please. We've also heard what's in the fancy.
Sweet mother.
Are you not lost? Oh, Father.
Just wanna thank you. How could I ever repay? Jesus, you're taking the pains away from me, and you're giving me victory. Yeah. Everywhere I go, blessings follow. Everything I do, favor follow. Kings are coming to my right hand. My hands, increasing my hands. Freedom, increasing my hands. Freedom, my feet.
As a great child, my mom used to work in the juvenile welfare. So I remember that the last time I came here was in the year 1985. So you can imagine how long I've been here. I really needed to visit this place today because I have this touch with this place. I think it's better for me to come and see things myself, to know how the state children are doing, if they are well taken care of. It's very important to the state government. Thank you. For we parents, I would say parents, we should fear God, we should love God. once you have the fear of the Lord, you don't need to be advised. It checkmates you. When you're doing something that is wrong, it will tell you that what I am doing is wrong. And also, we as mothers, it is very, very important we support our husbands. Support them in prayers, support them in other ways that we know we can support our parents, our husbands. Is very, very important. And as a state, it is very dear to us and also dear to His Excellency. So that is why we're here today.
Thank you.